from Sport Wheels, new building he built up in South Dakota. Let's see what's inside. I know it's going to be a lot because I know Denny. And it's a lot. Always. Cream of the crop. Wow, Denny's a lot. Lot. I don't know where to start. Look at that. That's nice. Nice sport, Ducati Sport. They still all got the sport wheel tags on them.
Yeah.
Oh, here's where that rotary went. I was wondering where this bike went. You took it.
There's a couple of your bikes in here.
Is there?
Yeah. Just keep going and we'll go around the other way.
I remember this bike. It was a good looking bike. I remember when it came in. 650 Yamaha. Norton Matisse. KZ9 and the Z900. As you Brits would say, Z, but I guess they're, what were they really called? KZ900. Prulia.
One of the last two-strokes.
Yeah. Hey, you know, there's this fairing is in one of the sheds at Sport Wheels right now.
No kidding.
Not broken.
Wow.
It's not broken.
Here, get a shot of this.
Any ass can smoke. Yeah, smoking's down in the United States big time right now. Oh yeah, I see a couple of my bikes in here. This Penton, which is a really nice bike. And this Greaves is the only bike I regret selling. You know that?
Really?
Yeah. That thing runs so good, man.
But I bet it was a loud.
Oh, it's so
cracked
loud.
and popped.
So loud, man. That Stinger exhaust is so loud. But this bike's really a nice bike. Like, it's really right. It ran so good. And everything's so nice on it. Someone did a nice job restoring it. It runs like a top. First kick every time. And easy to kick. It's not a bear.
Mm-hmm.
It's rideable.
This is a very rare, if it was original, but it's an original Matisse Bultaco. It now has a Yamaha single in it.
It's kind of ugly.
But very limited production there.
What else we got? Kawasaki triple. I don't remember seeing that bike. Another Cowie triple. 350, which is getting rare. Another three. This is nice.
We'll walk around.
This one's really nice.
See the sticker that's on the back.
That one's exceptionally clean.
Yeah, all three of these.
Yeah. Honda 554. I got a guy who wants to get rid of 554. It's the nicest one I've ever seen. Not restored. Original
Yeah.
pipes, original everything.
Okay, that's all original.
I'll show it to you. He's in Minneapolis.
Okay.
He wants to trade it for a sport bike.
Oh.
But I don't have a sport bike I want to get rid of.
Here. Yeah. Look at this.
Oh, yeah. Where it came from. Yeah, it's real nice.
Deadwood, South Dakota.
It's probably the
With a
nicest,
Cowie dealer.
nicest one I've seen unrestored. Pretty nice.